Not wire, not Wi-Fi, and easy to install. Most project cameras on the market have only 2 lenses. Electrician now brings a 4K 4-lens 4-screen solar AOV solar camera, helping you monitoring for 4 areas at the same time. It is 50 zoom, let you see details from far away. Daytime viewing can reach up 2,000 meters, and wire influence night vision can cover up 100 meters. We also can offer 99 times zoom solution for your marketing. The 3 rotation PTZ camera can adjust to see the camera, provides wide covering with the few bright spots. The 20-watt solar panel with 31,200 mAh battery supports 24 hours and several recording. When full charge, it can continuously work for 3 to 4 days. It also supports the 4G remote view, human detection up to 100 meter, opportunity checking, install LS, two-way talking, and IP66 water protection. Contact electrician for price and partnership opportunities. Tina from electrician.